reached Norfolk about 20 years ago. The first time I visited Haysborough, and I was impressed by amazing solid protection from the sea. They build new stuff from wood and metal and concrete. So I haven't been there for 15 years, and it just started appearing in newspapers and radios and televisions and news like houses collapse in Haysborough. I've just been, what's going on? And I started to do some projects about life and people, and so I've been interested in what's going on. And I visited Haysborough again. I can see on the beach very sad looking bricks from the houses were left. And all beautiful concrete fences were destroyed. For me it was like shocking. And I started to ask myself, what's going on? And start to dig this information more and more and more, and start to paint it. And this is really brought me to. So I showed my stuff to Trevor Davis, and he was impressed as well, and started to explain me what's going on in scientific side. And he said, well, he introduced me with John Pomeroy, and we started to work together. So I was so excited of this, and I kind of, in a sad way, so I just started to think I need to do something solid and real, and not just fancy commercial little things. I just need to do something what people can really read and think about future. The past, actually history, past and present and future. So for me it was very interesting to work with scientists, because art science is relatively new kind of combination for working. It's very hard to work with scientists, for artists, because artists are quite fairy flying people, and sometimes they do whatever they like. They don't control themselves and not responding for many things. But to work with scientists, it was a big discipline. You must understand deeply the context. So you chatting with them, listening, but you can deliver your own vision, but different way. But you must to follow the structure and the facts, data. You can't do anything, something like false information. So I really enjoy it, because I find it's very important. Yeah. I'm from family of army. My father was in the army, so I was always quite disciplined, and I really like this things. When you're growing, you got your own life. Sometimes you're losing this opportunity to look after yourself and be disciplined. You just do whatever you like. But this is we started work like a team, and everything is coming, lots of information to digest it, to work on it, to go inside. It was very hard for me first time, but later I just found it's very helpful. It works very well. And it takes me to paint this 4 years. Well, I started 2018. 3-4 years. But first year was so hard because I got tons of information I couldn't understand where I can start. So I've got so many sketches with different. I've been looking tons of artists and muralists from around the world, just trying to find my way, but it's not going to work really. So one day I come back to Peterborough and just stood up and to the sea. I've been drawing, painting, and I just said, "Oh, this is my canvas, the beach, the cove, the cliffs." And also we visited Constantine as well. It's an incredible canvas where you can put objects and add more details, and to add the facts, include lots of elements. And it's also, in the beginning I just painted the stripes. So it was actually Alan's kind of sort of first idea. But we've always been discussing about turn. So I've always been thinking about more impressionistic things. It's Alan's actually first idea. It's why it's how he pushed to do this us. And so I decided to do this, to use it because it's Norfolk, it will be in Norwich, it will be about us for the future generation. Almost history, all history. It's all proved and all clear that data is about climate change and the planet and the region. So it's all really solid, informative mural. It's not just something about something. So it's all about us and about future. So it's my history. So does anybody have some questions to scientists?
Yeah. From a consumer viewpoint, should we say, and city council as well, we have a tremendous story here that really and truly should be shared. And I'm thinking about